Hello, mathematicians. Today we're going to be learning about algebraic equations, more specifically about solving a one-step subtraction equation. To get us started, we're going to first talk about the inverse operation of subtraction. Subtraction and addition are actually inverse operations of each other. The inverse of subtraction is addition because addition undoes subtraction. So let's go over an example. Here we have 30 minus 10 is equal to 20. We started off with 30, we subtracted 10, and then ended up with 20. However, if we take that answer 20 and then add 10, we're going to end up with our original number, which was 30. So, because we subtracted 10 and then added 10, we're going to end up with the number we started off with because those canceled each other out. Here we have a subtraction equation, which is x minus 5 is equal to 18. Our goal is to figure out what x is equal to. So we want to figure out the value that will make this equation true. And in order to do that, we have to treat our equation like it's a balance. We want to figure out what x is, and we want to get x by itself, but we still have to keep it balanced. We're going to start off by drawing a line from the equal sign, and we want to get x by itself. But in order to do that, we have to get rid of minus 5. In order to get rid of minus 5, we have to use the inverse operation, which is addition, so that we could cancel these out. However, whatever we do on the left side of the equation, we have to do on the right side to keep it balanced. Now, this minus 5 and plus 5 are going to cancel each other out because they're equal to 0. And on the left side, all that we have left is our x value. We're going to bring down our equal sign, and then 18 plus 5 is equal to 23. So that means that x is equal to 23. And if we went back to substitute x, 23 minus 5 is in fact equal to 18, making this true. Here we have x minus 2 is equal to 31. And again, our goal is to figure out the value of x. So we want to figure out what x is equal to make this equation true. Now, we're going to treat this equation like a balance. So we're going to draw a line coming down from our equal sign so that we could see both sides of our equation and make sure we're keeping them balanced. Now, because we have x minus 2, our goal is to get x by itself, so we're going to go ahead and add 2 because the inverse operation of subtraction is addition and we want to cancel those out. However, if we add 2 on the left side of the equation, we also have to add 2 on the right side of the equation. Now these two cancel out because they're equal to 0. And on the left side, all we're left with is x. We're going to bring down the equal sign, and 31 plus 2 is equal to 33. So x is equal to 33 here. If we went back and we substituted x for 33, we could see that 33 minus 2 is equal to 31, making this equation true. Here we have 14 is equal to x minus 23. And even though x is now on the right side of our equation, that's fine because our goal here is to still get x by itself. We're going to start off with drawing a line through our equal sign so that we could easily see both sides of our equation. And on the right side, we have x minus 23. Because we want to get x by itself, we're going to add 23 because addition is the inverse operation of subtraction, and these two are going to cancel each other out. But whatever we do on the right side, we also have to do on the left side. So now we have 14 plus 23, which is equal to 37. We're going to bring down the equal sign. And then here on the right side, these cancel out. So all that we have left is x. So x is going to equal 37. If we went back and substituted x for 37, we would have 14 is equal to 37 minus 23, which is true. Finally, we have 20 is equal to x minus 6. Now, the first thing we want to do is draw a line straight down from our equal sign so that we could easily see both sides of our equation. Now, our goal is to solve for x, meaning we want to get x by itself, and because we have x minus 6, we're going to go ahead and add a 6 to cancel that out. But whatever we do on the right side, we must also do on the left side. So 20 plus 6 is equal to 26. We're going to bring down the equal sign. And these two are going to cancel out because they're inverse operations and we're subtracting the same thing that we're adding. So that's 0. And the only thing we're left with here is x. So x is equal to 26. If we went back and substituted x for 26, we would have 20 is equal to 26 minus 6, which is true.